to show you how to use social media stories to market your business. You might have seen stories and just been wondering, how can I use it to pretty much get my name out there? Because a lot of people use it for the glitz and the glamour. And this is where you find your stories up here. And they are very good because they're good at being discovered. And we'll also show you how in this tutorial. And so when you go to your stories, when you go to your social media page, we're using Instagram in this instance, but you can use social media stories on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and even recently now on LinkedIn. So it's a really good tool to get your name out there and your awareness out there. And how you do it on Instagram is looking here, you click that plus button, and it pulls up all this stuff here on this menu. And of course, we're doing stories, so you want to click the story tab. And now when you do click the story tab, you see the camera just facing you, like over here where I could wave. And you have different templates that you can use. So I could do that, snap that, and it automatically is ready to be customized with this menu up here, discard. Or I could decide I want to use a picture. Connect, enlarge that, customize as I want. That's also another way. But many times you might not have a picture, you might not have a video, because you can also use a video. And in many instances, you might not have that, right, as a business, but that's another option. And you just want to create on the fly, because as a business, you don't have as much time. And so for that purpose, we'll just do a very basic post, creating a post today. So here it is. When you do that, you have the opportunity to type something. So let's say social media can help you succeed. Over there. And see that? We have just typed that in. And why I'm highlighting this is, again, we could show you how to do it with a picture. It's pretty much simple. You just add the picture in that instance, but making it so basic so that if you just need to create a post on the fly, you can actually do that. So social media can help you succeed, and that's awesome, as you can see. And here I have the opportunity to customize it. I could change the different colors, which is pretty cool. I can also change the font, which is pretty cool. I can also change the background, which is pretty cool, as you can see. And the beauty in this is you can enlarge and stuff when you want to. So here, we have that here. Social media can help you succeed. Okay, next. Now, that's awesome. We've created our post. Now, you see this menu here is what we're going to toggle with, which is also what you should pay attention to as a business manager or marketer when you want to create your posts. As you can see, on that menu, we could do much great stuff. Change the colors, and because our branding color is more in the blue hue, we'll do that. And as you can see, we can also enlarge this so people can see it better, and that's cool. Now, awesome. Here you can save it. Once you click that, what happens is it saves to your camera roll so you can use that post later. The next one is a link. Yay. And what's really cool about this is you can add your IGTV video that you've created to the post, or you can add a web link. Now, I will say this, depending on how many followers you are, you might need a threshold to be able to add the web link. So if you don't see the web link, don't freak out. You just don't have probably much followers yet. And when you get there, you will see that web link. You can tag a business partner if you want, and you can allow business partners to promote. But at least wanted to show you this. At least you'll have access to the IGTV video. And this is the fun part. This is where I want you to really pay a good amount of attention to, because you have all these options to add what we call stickers. And with stickers, you have different things. I could decide, hey, I want to add good stuff. True, which is, we're saying social media can help you succeed. So we see that true there, and we can enlarge it and play with it. But the main thing that I want to really focus on with the stickers are where they're more like widgets. As you can see, I want to call these more like widgety things, or things that are more functional, I would like to say, if that's not what they're called. And that means you can add a location, a mention, a hashtag. We know how important those are, a donation, gift, music, poll, questions, countdown. And these are all kind of call to action or activity generating things that you can add to your posts that really help your business out. So we're going to start first with location. And in location, it picks, of course, where you are and stuff. And if you pick our place, we get to see our location being BizCrown Media. That's pretty cool, as you can see. Now, we can also do West Dundee, which is where we're based, or you can actually do a city like Chicago. Well, let's see, location, because we're mostly in Chicagoland. So we could say Chicago metropolitan area, as you could see. That's pretty cool. That, if you know SEO, really helps you to be discovered in the area, and you'll also see why in a few. Now, mention, because we want to mention our name, we want people to come check us out, don't we? As you can see, as you're typing it in, it picks it out. And so we're here. So Chicago Metropolitan, BizCrown Media. And so we have mentioned our name. We've also mentioned our location through tags. Now, let's keep it going. And now with hashtag, because we are a digital marketing company, we will hashtag digital marketing. We can also, excuse me, since this is a social media post, we can actually hashtag social media marketing. How about that? Now, this is cool. So as you can see, we have our content up here. Social media can help you succeed. Yay, true, which is a sticker. But then we have used the functional stickers, which are, we've tagged our business, we've tagged the hashtag the industry, and we've tagged the location. And as a business, this is important for you because people now can see you through these tags, or you can be discovered, through these tags. Now, you also have this over here, which is sort of like a scribble icon, and you can enlarge it as you want over there. Remember, you can always undo by going back. And the good thing about this is you can also change how it looks just by doing that. You have that option here. You know, so true, we might just want to say, yeah, awesome. You see just that tick over there and done. Now, as you can see, social media can help you succeed. That's a message we want to pass out there to help people. At BizCrown Media, this is our business, social media marketing, which is where we tag, and then we are in the Chicago metropolitan area. And now we have a perfect post that's ready to go out there from a business standpoint for us, because it's not just pictures that aren't doing much from the view, apart from the view of the person, but we have what captures the view, what links us to the location of the business, what links us to the industry of the business, and what links us to area. I mean, the location of the business itself, sorry, and this being the location of the business. So let's just send it, as you can see, and then you have your options to share on Facebook story as well, because we're on Instagram, we could do that. And then we're gonna share, and that's done. And as you can see, it goes automatically up there. You'll see your ring, and once you click it, you should be able to see your story. Yeah, and now let's click that. The BizCrown Media tag, let's see where it takes us. See, it takes us right back to our page. So when people see that, go, wow, I want to check out that business. That goes there. Social media marketing, look at that. And all the tags that are under social media, we get to see it too. And our job is to hope that with the posts and stuff that we show up here, and then in the Chicago metropolitan area, we also see location, all the posts that are coming from the Chicago metro area. And this gives us the opportunity to be in all these conversations because we have used all these tags. And these are ones we've created also. As you can see, these are different ways that you can use stories to reach out to people without actually necessarily using a picture in whatsoever way. And you can add as many as possible. Look at that. We could just go here, and then in this instance, pick this picture that we liked again, and just say, stay connected over there. And because that's white, we probably want to change the color. I would say so. So it's just, wow, look at that. And there we have it. And so this in itself, again, very simple, just as a picture, we can customize in different ways that we want to. We have all those options here. We can add music too. And just pick any song that you like that once you want to go there, you get to pick it and it'll go with the post and bingo. So let's do that. Let's just pick that music and that goes there and you can, there you go. And so your post is pretty much ready to go at this instance, and we could just send to, again, our story. And as you can see, that's how you can create a story. And that, we didn't do any tags, we didn't do anything, so probably won't work as much as the one we did before, but just wanted to give you an idea on how, and it's updating how you can do posts as a business to get your name out there, just using your phone. So as you can see, that's it right there with the song, Stay Connected. That's pretty cool. And so now we have our stories. Hello, have a good day. BizCrown Media, Digital Marketing, Chicago, Illinois. Good things will happen to you. BizCrown Media, Digital Marketing Agency, Sleepy Hollow, Illinois. Social media can help you succeed. BizCrown Media, Social Media Marketing, Chicago metropolitan area, and that song. And see how we've created 3 stories just like that. And that's what you can do as a business. If this has helped you and you like this, feel free to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and hopefully you can get a lot done with this. Take care and good luck.